Column, how to evaluate with our calculator 3 power 16 minus 3 power 12. So we are going to start by expressing the 16 as product of 2 times 8. So you have 3 power, this is 2 times 8 minus 3 power. We are going to express this as product of 2 times 6. So if you have a power n times n, this equals a power n or to the power of n. We are going to apply this identity right here and here. So we have 3 power 2 or to the power of 8 minus 3 power 2 or to the power of 6. So from here, we need to find the value of 3 power 2. So 3 power 2 is 9. You have 9 power 8 minus 9 power 6. So I can express this 8 as summation of 2 and 6. So I have 9 power, this is 2 plus 6 minus 9 power 6. Remember, if you have a power n plus m equals a power n times a power m. I apply this identity here. So I'm simply going to have this is 9 power 2 times 9 power 6 minus 9 power 6. I can factor 9 power 6 because I have it on both sides. I have 9 power 6 times this divides 9 power 6. I have 9 power 2 minus 1 because this divides 9 power 6. We have 1. What's the value of 9 power 2? 9 power 2 equals 9 times 9. And this is 81. So I'm simply going to have 9 power 6 times this is 81 minus 1. So from here, I have 9 power 6 times 81 minus 1. This is 80. So 9 is the same thing as 3 power 2. I can replace it here. I have 3 power 2 or to the power of 6 times 80. If you have a power n raised to the power of n equals a power n times n. So from here, multiply this exponent. I have 3 power 12 times 80. So from here, I can express 12 as summation of 10 and 2. I have 3 power 10 plus 2 times 80. So from here, if you have a power n plus n, this equals a power n times a power n. So I'm going to apply this identity here. I will simply have this is 3 power 10 times 3 power 2 times 80. So from here, I have 3 power 10 times 9, which is 3 power 2 times 80. So we need to find the value of 3 power 10, which equals 3 power 5 times 2. From here, we have 3 power 5 all to the power of 2. And this equals 3 power 5 is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. That is 243 power 2. To find the value of this, we have 243 times 243. So from here, 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 4, 12, 2 carry over 1, 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. I heard about it to 4. 4 times 3, 12, 2 carry over 1, 4 times 4, 16 plus 1, 17, 7 carry over 1, 4 times 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. I over here carry 2, 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 4, 8, 2 times 2, 4. You add up 9, 4, this is 20, 0 carry over 2, add here, 11 plus 8, 19, 9 carry over 1, add here, 5. This is 594, and 9 times 9 times 80. Let's multiply this out. 594, 9 times 9. Out 9 times 9, 81, 1 carry by 8. 9 times 4, that is 36 plus 8, 44, 4 carry over 4. Out 9 times 0, 0, 0 plus 4, I have 4. Out 9 times 9, 81, 1 carry over 8. Out 9 times 5, That is 45 plus 8, 53. So I'm going to multiply this by 80. I have 531,441 times 80. I'm going to make use of 0 to multiply everything here. 0 times 1, 0, 0 times 4, 0, 0 times 4, you give me 0, 0 times 1, 0, 0 times 3, 0, 0 times 5, 0. Make use of 8, 8 times 1, 8, 8 times 4, 32, 2 carried over 3, 8 times 4, 32 again, 32 plus 3, that's 55, 5 carried over 3, 8 times 1, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 1 carried over 1, 8 times 3, 24, 24 plus 1, 25, 5 carried over 2, 8 times 5, 40, 40 plus 2, 42. We are going to add this together. 0, 8, 2, 5, 1, 5, 4, 2. 4, 2, 5, 1, 5, 2, 80. Now that we have gotten this, next step is to let's check, recap, a quick recap. I think that's our final answer for this is 3 power 16 minus 3 power 12 equals this is 42,515,280. This is also the same value for if you have 9 power 8 minus 9 power 6. They will still give you 42,515,280. So both cases you are having the same thing. Now a quick recap. The first step will be to express 16 as product of 2 times 8. This as product of 2 times 6. We applied the identity a power n times m equals a power n or power n. So we evaluated 3 power 2 and 3 power 2. This gave us 9 on both sides. So the 8 here we expressed it as summation of 2 and 6. So we applied the identity of a power n plus n equals a power n times a power n. So from here, we factor out 9 power 6 on both sides. Then this divide 9 power 0, we have 9 power 2, this divide by 9, we have 1. 9 power 2 is 81, 81 minus 1, that is 80, 9 power 6 is. So from here we have 9 power 6 times 80. So here is 9. 9 is 3 power 2, 3 power 2 power 6, multiplied by 80. So 2 times 6 is 12. From here, we divide this 12 into 2 past 10 plus 2. And from here, we apply this a power n plus m equal a power n times a power m. So you have 3 power 10 times 3 power 2 times 80. 3 power 10 times 3 power 3 is 9 times 80. From here, we need to multiply 9 times the whole of this. And multiply, we had 531441 times 80. We also multiplied 80 by 531441. So after the multiplication, remember you are going to add. Use 0 to multiply first. 0 multiply everything here, you have the same thing. Then use 8 to multiply each of these terms here. And that will give you this 4251528. So from here you add that together, then you have your answer. Another way of multiplying this by 80 is you can just multiply this by 8 and add 0. If you multiply, this simply means 531441 times 8. That will give you 4251528. Then you have add 0 to it. You are not adding 0 as 0, but you are adding it as at the prefix of this. Our suffix, we are adding at the suffix of this. You are not just adding as 1 plus 0, which is 1. No. You attach it here. This will still give you the same answer. So guys, that is it. Thank you and see you again.